Hello everyone, this is Chris with Gyroid 3D, and today we're going to 3D print something fun and fast to test out the highly talked about 3D printing filament from Hobby Lobby. Is it quality? Is it easy to use? And is it worth your money? Today we put it to the test. First and foremost, we're going to need some filament. So let's head down to Hobby Lobby and pick some up. Okay, we're here at Hobby Lobby. We're gonna go check out the filament now. Because of the popularity, I heard they're starting to carry more colors and more types of filament, so we're gonna check it out. Here. Okay, looks like we're in very low stock here. They're starting to carry mats now. I heard these fit the Q1S from Bambu Labs. I don't know why they would just have the one. They would cater to Bambu Labs P1S, but I happen to have one, so they got some files here, which I got at Harbor Freight. I'm gonna need to get a caliper soon. This is basically, I could use this to measure things that I'm gonna make. Like if I have a coaster and I want to make a holder for it, I can measure in millimeters how big the coaster is so that when I make the holder, it fits. Storage bags. Okay, these are going to be storage bags for your filament. Vacuum sealed, I believe, which is a good idea. I try to use the ones that come with my filament, and that seems to work for me. I wanted to try this adhesive. There's a spray. There's two parts to it. I believe they only have the one here. So as far as filament goes, we got yellow PLA, which I am running low on yellow. We got silk silver. We got the wood PLA, which is $16.99, and the marble, which is $20.99. That's the most expensive one. As far as pricing goes, these used to be $12.99, and then after a little bit of popularity, they bumped it up to $14.99. We got so many different prices: $17.99, $16.99, $20.99. It's all over the place. $19.99. I mean, literally nothing is consistent. Here's the black and pink. It's two-tone, so the strand is split in half, which I don't use too much of. And then we got the same black and pink, so we don't have very many colors to choose from, which is unfortunate. I was hoping for some black, but we could try the yellow. All right, we are back from Hobby Lobby, and we have our yellow filament here. I know it's a boring color, but they were very low in stock, as you could see. This one here was $14.99, so it was on the lower price range. And we're gonna go ahead and try it out. And it's all right, because I am very low on yellow filament, as you can see up here. The yellow that I got today is a little lighter. I'm not sure. I might like this darker one. We're gonna try the Hobby Lobby filament. So first thing we need to do is we gotta find a file. So with the yellow filament, I'm thinking, what is yellow? I'm gonna search Mario Brothers box, and I'm thinking to print the Mario Brothers question mark box, because right now I'm currently working on some Mario Brothers items for my store. Let's go ahead and download this. All right, it's downloaded. So we're gonna open up Bambu Studios. We're gonna create a new project, And we're gonna drag in this Mario Brothers 3D print. We're gonna go ahead and orient the box the way we'd like it. We're gonna slice this project now. Let's load it up. And when it's done, we'll go ahead and click print. Here's a quick time lapse of the print in progress. Alright guys, our print is done. We're gonna go ahead and take it off the build plate. So here is the little cube Mario Brothers box that we printed out of the filament we got at Hobby Lobby today. One thing I didn't do was add supports underneath some of these overhangs, and it's a slight bit saggy. There's a slight bit of filament hanging there, but that was my fault. Also, one corner here has a slight bit of it was a slight bit of an adhesion problem where it lifted slightly, but you can't hardly tell. This particular box opens up, so it has a lid. And honestly, guys, this printed very well. I've never had problems with really any filament. Very rarely do I have filament brands that I'm not happy with. And this one printed very well. So all in all, I'd say their filament is pretty good. The one thing is the color. This is the yellow. I believe this is, what brand is this one? This is, I believe, Sunlu, and their yellow is a little bit brighter. And that's why I use a lot of different brands of filament, because different brands are going to offer you different shades of color. I think every individual company is kind of limited to shades of color. Bambu Labs is very limited. Overture is what I use the most. They have a lot of colors, but they might not have a shade that Sunlu makes. And Jo might have a color that Elegoo doesn't make. So that's why I just kind of use all filament brands. I try them out and see what I like. So Hobby Lobby's house brand 3D printing filament, it's manufactured by a company called Lando Innovation Technology Co. Potentially rebranded filament that offers a price, quality, and affordability. So people think that it's rebranded, and it's a company that also makes Elegoo, Sunlu, or Jo filament. Either way, guys, this is really good filament. Like I said, I haven't had bad luck with too many brands of filament. If anything, I might have had one spool that was a little dried out and the layers weren't adhering to each other. But I would definitely consider Hobby Lobby's filament if you need filament on the spot and you don't have time to order it. If they have black or your basic yellow or red, a color that you do like and you need right there on the spot, I would definitely consider them. The one thing about the printing filament, the filament from Hobby Lobby, is the prices are all over the place. This was $14.99. It's probably not one of the favorite colors. So some of the basic colors are going to be $14.99, and the prices vary. I saw $16.99, $19.99, and $20.99, $18.99. They're all over the place, so they're not consistent. Amazon's not always consistent either, but I mean, I just think Hobby Lobby just needs to find a price, a little bit more consistent pricing. That's it for today, guys. A quick review of the Hobby Lobby house brand filament. We printed in the yellow today. Here's our test print here. This little quick Mario Brothers box. Good quality. I would recommend it. Again, it's not very different from anything I've used in the past. So the only thing I would say is there might be, there might be other yellows that you like out there, but this is a generic basic yellow. And if that's what you're looking for, go ahead and get it. If there's anything you'd like to do, pursue or create, it's time to get creative.